Welcome to the head office. I'm Matt. We'll review the individual compensation plan. As a member of the HypoChlorous team, you decide how involved you want to be in sharing information about HypoChlorous products. You can do as little as provide the names, phone numbers, and email addresses of people that you know are interested in the product. Or at the other end of the spectrum, you can make a full-time career as a sales representative and sales manager, making sales calls and signing contracts with small and large commercial and corporate customers. Or you can contribute to the team on a part-time basis, as your time allows. It is all up to you. We have established a compensation program that pays you fairly on a sliding scale, depending upon how involved you want to be with the sales process. As your involvement increases in making the sale, so does your pay. Throughout Section 1, let's review some pertinent details. First, levels overview. Second, role per level. Third, compensation. And fourth, support from the HypoChlorous company. Different levels of involvement become more and more demanding. We'll provide an overview of each. First, prospector. Your role is to bring new leads to the company that a qualified representative will pursue. You will receive a fixed-rate referral commission. Second, influencer. Your role is to invite followers to learn more through your unique link. Third, educator. Your role is to educate and enroll others as new HypoChlorous customers. Explain and enroll others as new HypoChlorous educators and sales representatives. Fourth, sales representative. Like an educator, your role is to explain and enroll others as new HypoChlorous customers. Explain and enroll others as new HypoChlorous educators and sales representatives. You also will be involved with simple and complex sales. Your commission is based on a sliding scale. As the customer either buys at full retail price or more frequently, you receive a reduction in your commission as the price is reduced to the consumer. All commissions are pay when paid. If a consumer purchases at full retail price from your unique link, you earn 25% of the net sale. If a consumer purchases more frequently from your unique link, usually a loyal buyer, you receive a reduction in your commission as the price is reduced to the consumer. You earn 18% of the net sale. We encourage your influence on the auto shipment program. If a consumer begins to buy in bulk from your unique link and continues to be a loyal buyer, you receive a reduction in your commission as the price is reduced to the consumer. You earn 15% of the net sale. They're buying in cases at this point. Again, we encourage your influence on the auto shipment program. If a consumer continues to buy in bulk from your unique link, you receive a reduction in your commission as the price is reduced to the consumer. You earn 10% of the net sale. They're buying in pallets at this point. Again, we encourage your influence on the auto shipment program. Any further reductions in the sales price or commissions are brought under review with management for consideration. The HypoChlorous company is committed to your success. With a variety of useful sales tools and expert sales teams, we're confident your experience will be great. As a prospector, you have a knack for recruiting. We can assist in fine-tuning those skills. We also can assure you the leads brought to us by your hard efforts will have a great experience with the HypoChlorous company. As an influencer, you have a niche of followers. Your unique image affords loyalty. Our affiliate program is like nothing else in the market. As you do you, your genuine touch will bring monetary value as well. The e-wallet allows you to pay yourself at your leisure in over 250 currencies. As an educator, you command a presence with your experience and knowledge. As others are attracted to your expertise, we'd like to pay you for your efforts. This is an industry-disrupting product. Your ability to educate others is needed now more than ever. As a sales representative, you can sell. Whether it's a ketchup popsicle to someone wearing white gloves or ice to a polar bear, your skills are worth their weight. A handsome commission is in order. We want to assist in your pursuit of well-vetted leads for long-term relationships. Our team can help build the necessary tools for your successful career. We appreciate your time reviewing the individual compensation plan for the HypoChlorous company. As you continue your sales journey, we encourage you to communicate with your enroller for more ideas on what to focus on. The HypoChlorous company offers a wide range of sales verticals for all types of individual involvement. We look forward to working with you.